Today, I'll walk you through how to view Snapchat message history, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access your Snapchat messages so you can keep track of your conversations effortlessly. To get started, open your Snapchat app. This is the colorful ghost icon on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates its interface regularly. Once the app is open, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your Bitmoji or the ghost icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings and view your Snap history. Next, tap on the gear settings icon located in the top right corner. This icon resembles a small gear and will direct you to the settings menu. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy Controls. This section contains various options to manage your privacy settings, including your data. In this section, tap on My Data. This will allow you to request a copy of your Snapchat data, including your message history. Once you're on the My Data page, scroll down and toggle on the option for Chat History. This step is crucial as it ensures that your chat messages are included in the data request. After toggling that on, tap on Next. This will guide you to the next step in the process. Now you'll need to select the date range for the messages you want to view. This allows you to narrow down your search to a specific time frame. Additionally, confirm your email address to ensure that you receive the data correctly. Finally, press on Submit. This action will send your request to Snapchat, and you'll receive an email with your message history once it's ready. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view your Snapchat message history. Remember, it may take a little time for Snapchat to compile your data, so be patient. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.